this is Sushmita and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, as you know from the title, I'm going to talk about how to cover or conceal or hide dark pigmentation, dark circles and unevenness. So this problem is quite common among a lot of people having unevenness or dark pigmentation or dark circle. But it's also very easy to conceal them with a little amount of makeup. So without any further ado, let's see how I conceal my under eyes. Okay, first we're gonna start with moisturizer. Now I have already moisturized my face as well as my under eyes and my eyes. The moisturizer keeps my under eyes hydrated enough and moisturized enough so that I can go ahead and do my under eye makeup. If you are a dry skin type, your eyes will get even more drier after applying makeup. So I would suggest you to use a very good under eye cream that suits your skin type. Apply that so that your under eye would stay moisturized and hydrated throughout the process. Now since I'm going to do my under eye makeup today, I would definitely want my under eyes not to get dry and stay hydrated throughout the process, and for that the product I'm applying, the Mom's Co. Now this product has coffee oil and vitamin E and B3 in it, which is great for fine lines, wrinkles and puffiness and dark circles and all those things. But I don't know whether this product helps with your dark circles or not, because I don't have any dark circles, but I have a little unevenness over here, as you can see. And then I apply this most of the time before going to bed, or especially in the morning when my eyes are puffy and I have bags under my eyes and I have to do my makeup. I go for this. This is really good. With this product, my under eyes are well moisturized and even more hydrated. We'll move on to the next step. And in this step, I'm going to show you how to use a color corrector to hide those dark pigmentation, unevenness and dark circles. Now I know two different methods that you can use to hide those dark pigmentation or dark circles. The first method is using a color corrector and then using a concealer, and the second method is using a dark concealer on top of that using a light concealer. On this side of my face I'm going to try one method, on this side of my face we're going to try another method. So we are going to start with this side of my eyes and we are going to use a color corrector. When we have dark circles or dark pigmentation under our eyes, it's basically of dark blue undertone or blue undertone. Before using any color corrector, it is really important that you understand the color wheel. The color wheel will help us to understand which color corrector to use under what problematic areas, and it's pretty clear from the color wheel that orange cancel out blue. That means if you have dark circles or dark pigmentation under your eyes, orange will color correct it. If you are a dark skin type, you will have to use an orange color corrector, and if you are more like a lighter skin type, you will have to use a peach color corrector. And today I'm going to use a color corrector which is not completely orange, not completely peach, it's somewhere in between, and the palette I'm using is from NYX Professional. I'm going to use my finger to apply as well as blend the color corrector because it seamlessly blends and it looks so beautiful, as you can see over here. On this side of my face, I said I would be using a dark shade of concealer, and for that I'm going to use these two shades and I'm going to combine them, and again I'm going to use my finger to apply and blend. I'm going to quickly apply foundation and then I will be applying concealer under my eyes, so stay tuned. I have applied the foundation but not up till my lower lashes. You don't have to apply a lot of product under your eyes in order to hide your pigmentation and dark circles. The reason is the color correction as well as the concealer would do the job just fine, and unnecessary layering of product will lead you to a lot of creases under your eyes. What I'm doing over here is I'm blending the foundation up until my eye socket so that my complete look would look more cohesive and more blended. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the next step, which is concealing my under eyes. And to conceal my under eyes, I'm going to use e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer and a tiny product. It goes a long way, which I think is just perfect. It's because you don't want a lot of product under your eyes, you just want a tiny product that would do the job. So that's what I'm gonna do over here. I'm going to apply tiny product over here in the inner corner of my eyes, a little on the outer corner of my eyes, same on the other side. Now all you need to do is wait for a few seconds so that the concealer would settle into the skin and you will get a very beautiful, flawless and full coverage. Make sure while blending the concealer you look up so that the concealer would not settle into your creases. In the next step, I'm going to quickly set my under eyes. I'm going to look up again, and the powder I'm using today is from PAC. This is a translucent powder. You can use a normal setting powder or banana powder, whatever suits you. With the setting powder, my complete under eye process is done. Now as you can see, the unevenness is gone, puffiness and bags under my eyes are gone, and I definitely don't look tired. I'm going to quickly do my complete makeup look and I will be back. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do hit that bell button and shower some love. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to mention that in the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye till then.